But where's the sushi? Mommy, where's sushi? No, tell me you chopstick.
Kaya, nasaan? Smile.
Yeah.
So ayan guys, bili kami ng school supplies ng dalawang bata. Nagtanong ako sa Mother Nature. This the Canadian mother. Nagtanong ako, tapos tinanong niya sa akin kung anong school ko malapit sa Eldred, yun search niya. Nagulat siya kasi provided ng school yung kailangan ng mga bata. Ang kailangan lang bilhin ay closed shoes for indoors and lunchbox and water. That's all. Na-shock siya kasi
That's all you.
ano siya, libre. So yun, bibili kami ng lunchbox. Tap. Yan. Bili siya ng pangkulay daw niya. So, what they need provided from the school, no? Like notebooks. So, just bring water and lunchbox and closed shoes for indoor school. Kami ng box para sa room namin, daming kalat. And ito sa Balagan doon sa so bibili kami ng ano ngayon ng lunchbox and closed shoes for indoors sa school. So ayan guys, nagbe-breakfast na sila. Prepare naman ako ng kanilang baon. Ito ay Talia. Talia ba to? Okay, Nathan. Ayaw ni Nathan ng vegetable. Tsaka yung juice. May, dito naman sa ilalim ay cookies. Tapos dito ay strawberry.
Mommy, cheese.
Yes. I put already. Yeah. So, yun na guys. Ang kanilang baon. Huh? No. You grade 1. Nathan grade 2. Talia grade 3. Sarap. Yan ang kay Nathan. Pang sundalo ang gusto. Ito na bubuksan, late na kami. So, ayan. Ready na kami. Bye-bye. Are you ready? Yeah, Talia. Pasok na sila. Go, go, go. Come here. Talia, Nathan. How's daddy?
Just bring the toilet.
Okay, grade 7 in here. So this is
Mommy, I have
Wala yung mga bata. Mag-Starbucks muna kami. We are free. Mamalat yung mukha ko. Order namin bacon godua sandwich. Ang kanya pesto. Let's eat. So yun guys, nandito kami sa Costco. Lilibot-libot. Anong bibili mo? What do you want? So yan guys, sumitingin siya ng TV. Kala mo'y bibili. Do kami. Lakad na lang kami. Ay. Lalakad namin papunta sa school ni Talia at saka ni Nathan.
The teacher told me to put back the indoor shoes there.
Okay. You put there?
Yeah,
Okay.
but where's Nathan?
Not yet there. How's the school? Good? Like? Huh?
No, we not like study. We like
What?
Meeting, like knowing each other. First day. Stop.
Ayun yung Nathan. Yeah. Yes.
Which one with the black hair?
Ay.
See, you got me.
Yeah.
Daddy, but I
Nathan, how's your school? How's your first day, Nathan?
Good.
Huh?
I didn't learn. It's just for kindergarten. Also me like that. It's only for kindergarten school, I think. Yeah.
So, yan ang third day nila. Ito ay kay Taliayo ng tomatoes. Cucumber. May lettuce naman siya. Sinatan. May tomatoes. Wala naman siyang lettuce. Cheese lang. So, yun, papasok na naman sila. Tingnan nyo yung ito dito. Strawberry.